Hello students. Students, today we will perform the different types of chemical reaction practicals. As we have already discussed in the classroom in the theory classes, there are different different types of chemical reactions that we are having a combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, redox reaction. Different types of reactions we are having. So we have already discussed in the terms of a theory, but today we will perform the practical. How does it actually appears when this type of reaction takes place? The first reaction we will do over here, that is your combination reaction. In that combination reaction, I am having a magnesium ribbon. I am having a magnesium ribbon. Already I have rubbed this because it forms a magnesium oxide layer. Okay, so I have removed that magnesium oxide layer, and now it is ready to burn. Okay, now what will happen when this will burn? Let us see what does it forms. Okay, or you already know, but let us see whether it forms or not. Okay, so you can see that it is burning. So a white substance you can see over here. So this you can see a white ash which has been formed over here. Okay, so this is the magnesium oxide which has been formed. You can see the, okay, clear? This is the magnesium oxide which has been formed. So this is showing the combination reaction where magnesium is burning in the presence of oxygen and forming a magnesium oxide. Now the second experiment that you will see over here, this is your displacement reaction. Let us see the displacement reaction. Now for doing the displacement reaction, what I will do, I will take a sulfuric acid in a test tube. Okay. Take care whenever you are taking that sulfuric acid or test tube or. Okay, so in that case, hold the test tube in the test tube stand. Why I am saying this? Because you use the chemical. When we use the chemical, it can be harmful for our skin. Okay, so take care whenever you are taking the acid. Take the acid and test tube while holding in the holder. Okay, now I have taken the sulfuric acid in this. Now I will take a zinc granule. Zinc granule will react with the sulfuric acid. Let us see what we observe. A small piece I will keep in this. Okay, let us see what happens. Now you can observe that the reaction is taking place. Okay. Now zinc is reacting with the sulfuric acid. What is happening? Hydrogen is less reactive than zinc. So zinc is reacting with the sulfuric acid and it is displacing the hydrogen and forming a zinc sulfate. When this reaction takes place, the hydrogen gas is formed over here. Okay? So you can see the solution is forming a salt over here. Clear? Okay? I will add some more acid because the reaction has been stopped. The amount of acid as compared to the zinc is less. So we will add some acid also more. Okay? Okay. So the zinc is reacting with the sulfuric acid and forming a white color salt, that is the zinc sulfate salt. So it is indicating the displacement reaction. Okay. Now let us do the next one, that is a double displacement reaction. For that again I will take the test tube. Now for double displacement reaction I will do the reaction between barium chloride and sodium sulfate. So first of all I will take the barium chloride. Let me take another test tube. Okay. So I have taken the barium chloride. Now I will add a sodium sulfate in this. So you can see the reaction is taking place between these two. Barium chloride when react with sodium sulfate, it forms a barium sulfate. Okay, and it will give you the white PPT. This will give us a white PPT. Okay, or barium sulfate. Okay, now you can see the white color solution forming in the test tube. So this is the double displacement reaction where barium is displacing sodium ion and sodium ion is displacing the barium ion simultaneously at the same time. Okay, clear? So these are the few reactions of different types of chemical reactions. Okay. Now students, we will see one experiment of decomposition reaction. For decomposition reaction, I have taken the ferrous sulfate salt in this ballon tube and I will heat this ferrous sulfate. Let us see, is there any change is observed in this ferrous sulfate on heating? Let us see. You can see it is a green in color. Ferrous sulfate is green in color. Now you can see that there is some change in the color of this ferrous sulfate. Okay, you can see that there is a change in the ferrous sulfate. Now you can see that the green color has been changed. It is expressing that the sum of the chemical, it has been changed in another form. Over here, ferrous sulfate has been converted into the ferric oxide because it is heated in the presence of oxygen. And one more thing, the ferrous sulfate that I have taken is a hydrated ferrous sulfate. So what is happening over here, when I am heating this ferrous sulfate, the hydrated amount of water is evaporating. That's why it is converting into a different color. It is changing the color. So now I have got the anhydrated ferrous sulfate. So by this way, what I have done, I have converted the hydrated ferrous sulfate into anhydrous ferrous sulfate. So in this way, the ferrous sulfate and H2O molecule has been separated, and this is a kind of a decomposition reaction where the one molecule has broken into the two molecules, or we can say a one molecule has broken into a multiple molecules. Okay? So this is all about the chemical reaction and equation. Okay, so today we have seen the combination reaction, a decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and a double displacement reaction. In next class, we will see some more reactions related to our subject, related to our topic. Okay, thank you. Class is done.